The Ham-Wasserman Lecture is also a highly anticipated and well-attended session.
A great honor to give the Ham-Wasserman Lecture 2023, and I spoke about a 35 years long journey unraveling the pathogenesis of PF4-mediated platelet activating disorders. We started to learn about it 50 years ago. In the pandemic, we learned that anti-PF4 antibodies can cause the adverse vaccination effect VIT, which came to a big surprise to all of us. Now we understand that anti-PF4 antibodies are a new, until non-recognized cause of severe recurrence thrombotic complications, and it will be the work for the next years to unravel the role of these antibodies for patients with recurrent stroke and recurrent pulmonary embolism.
How can we provide sustainable care for hematology patients? That question and others were answered during the ASH Clinicians in Practice Lunch. ASH News TV spoke with Chair of the ASH Committee on Practice, Dr. Chancellor Donald, who shared key takeaways from this discussion.
We were blessed to have a wonderful panel of 4 really talented physicians that talked about sustainability of care, delivering high quality care that improves the well-being of the patients that we serve. We were really pleased to have this discussion and had great feedback from the audience. When we talk about sustainability, we're talking about improving the quality of life of the patients that we serve, as well as ensuring that the overall well-being of that patient is preserved as well. There are multiple ways to achieve this, pathways to help dictate treatment using artificial intelligence and clinical pathway tools, as well as associated financial toxicity that can occur in the delivery of hematologic care.
ASH's prestigious Honorific Awards recognize hematologists who have made significant contributions to the field of hematology. This year's recipients include Dr. Stephen Sallin and Dr. Helen Heslop, who received the ASH Mentor Award for their mentorship from bench to bedside and beyond. Dr. Alexis Thompson received the ASH Award for Leadership in Promoting Diversity for championing diversity across the healthcare continuum. And Dr. Blanche P. Alter received the Wallace H. Coulter Award for Lifetime Achievement in Hematology for her 50 years of dedication and innovation as a physician scientist. In addition, don't miss the presentations of the Henry M. Stratton Medal and William Domashek Prize on Tuesday morning. Congratulations to all of the 2023 Honorific Award recipients.